Hello world! Today we are solving a fun Python challenge. This challenge is about a story. It is from a famous book, Meet Dipsat, a supercomputer. People ask what is the answer to life. It thinks for 7 million years. The answer is 42. Everyone is very confused. The joke is nobody knows the question. Programs love the number 42. Let's see what the program does. We need to check user input if the input is 42 or 42 or 42. The program prints yes, otherwise it prints no. Let's plan the code. First, get input from the user, clean the text, use an if statement, then print the result. Let's write the code now. Answer equals input. What is the answer? We use input to get data. Answer equals answer dot strip dot lower. Strip removes the extra space, lower mix letters small. Now the if statement. If answer equals 42 or answer equal 42 or answer equal 42. Print yes, else print no. Let's test our code. If I type 42, it says yes. If I type 42, it says yes. If I type hello, it says no. What did we learn? We learned input and variables. We used a string and methods. If statements are very powerful. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Another challenge is coming soon. See you later.